Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a disabled account on Aliexpress. First, open the Aliexpress app or website and try to sign into your account. If you see a message saying that your account has been disabled, don't panic. Next, open Gmail or the email account connected to your Aliexpress account. Check your inbox for any messages from Aliexpress. Also, check your spam or junk folder in case the message was filtered there. If you find an email from Aliexpress explaining why your account was disabled, read the instructions carefully and follow the recommended steps. Next, go back to the Aliexpress sign-in page and select Forgot Password if you're having trouble accessing your account. Enter the email address or phone number connected to your account and follow the verification steps. If Aliexpress sends you a verification code, enter it and create a new password. After resetting your password, try signing in again. If your account is still disabled, resetting the password may not be enough. In that case, contact Aliexpress customer support and explain the issue so they can review your account. And that's it. That's how you can try to fix a disabled Aliexpress account. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.